everyone. I'm Chef Antonia LaFaso. I'm an executive chef and restaurateur here in Los Angeles, California. I'm also a cookbook author, and you may have seen me on some culinary competition shows. So I know this last year we've all been spending a ton of time in the kitchen, and you may be over it. But I'm here to show you a great recipe with time-saving tricks, and I also have an awesome cleaning hack for you. All right. So we're gonna be doing my quick and easy chicken cutlet sandwich. I grew up in Long Island, New York, okay? My mom made it, my dad made it. It was something that if the cable guy came over, they were like, did you make him a chicken cutlet sandwich? It's super easy. Ciabatta bread that's been toasted, chicken breasts that are fried in panko and parsley and Parmesan cheese and garlic, topped with beautiful marinated roasted peppers, mozzarella cheese, and arugula. So we're gonna start with the chicken. I've got 2 chicken breasts that I'm gonna season with just a little bit of salt and pepper. And we season both sides of the chicken. Okay, and what we have here is a 3-step breading process. And that is always essentially flour, egg, and then a breading that I'm gonna fry the chicken in. 2 cups of panko, a cup of parsley, and a tablespoon of chopped garlic, salt, pepper, and a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Now this is gonna go right into the fryer, and you wanna press it away from you so that the oil doesn't splash back at you. So while that's frying, we're gonna let that go about 4 minutes on one side and then flip it. We can start on our other chicken breast and then right into the oil. So again, 4 minutes on one side, 4 minutes on the other, and we're ready to go. So because this chicken breast went in first, it's gonna come out first. You can kind of see how beautiful golden brown that is. And then onto the rack to drain and cool. Okay, I promised you guys a cleaning hack. So here we go. It's clean as you cook with Dawn Powerwash. My pan is cooled, so now I'm gonna take it to clean. Okay guys, this is the secret I was telling you about. It's as simple as spray, wipe, and rinse. It's so easy, it's so simple. So unlike regular dish soap, it has spray-activated suds that work right on contact, so you don't have to scrub and you don't have to soak. All right, you ready for this? Watch. I sprayed, I'm gonna wipe. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. And now I'm gonna rinse. Hello, clean as you cook. So quick, so easy. My pan is clean. And now I can get back to my sandwich. Okay, everything's all clean. I love it. It's time to make the pesto for my chicken cutlet sandwich. This is super easy. I love a pesto in a sandwich. And the secret to making a great pesto is don't overthink it. You have your ingredients measured out, you put it into a food processor, and you let the food processor do all of the work. Very, very simple. So the ingredients that I have today for the classic pesto is 2 cups of packed basil leaves, taking them off the stem, and it's just the leaves. I've got 1 cup of grated Parmesan, 4 tablespoons of already toasted pine nuts, a whole garlic clove that has been peeled and trimmed, and 3/4 cup of a good finishing olive oil. Let it go on high, and I'm gonna add the 3/4 cup of olive oil, and it's done. You don't wanna over blend your pesto. You spin it as quick as possible and then get it out of the container. There you go. Okay, all right, it is time to finish this bad boy up. We're going to season some fresh arugula with just some lemon juice and salt. I'm gonna use my hand just to kind of give it a gentle toss. The key to an incredible sandwich is making all of the ingredients sing. You really wanna take your time with every ingredient and treat them with care and love. So example, raw garlic clove on top of already toasted ciabatta, taking a little bit of olive oil just to give it some more flavor onto that bread. Then we get into the pesto. Just when you thought there couldn't get any better, it does. So now we have chicken breast right on there. Then we're gonna go arugula salad right on top of that. Then we're gonna go roasted peppers, just spread them out. Make the sandwich big. This is an unapologetic sandwich. It's huge, it's delicious. We're gonna cut that burrata in half, Just kind of put that right into the center and go back to a little bit of salt just on that burrata, a little bit of olive oil, and then a block of Parmesan cheese, because you want a great Parmesan cheese over the top. Okay, then the top goes back on the sandwich, and we just take a minute and appreciate the sandwich. It is incredible. Crispy chicken cutlet sandwich, marinated peppers, burrata, arugula, and a beautiful Italian pesto. All right, I'm going in for a bite. Don't worry, I'm a professional. It's really good. This sandwich is absolutely amazing. I hope you all love it. Make it for your friends, make it for your family. Don't forget my awesome cleaning hack, clean as you cook with Dawn Powerwash. I'm getting back to my sandwich now.